Did you know that 84% of dog owners admit they drive with an unrestrained pet, and nearly 1 in 5 have had to physically block their dog from climbing into the front seat while driving? That's terrifying, because in a sudden stop, your dog instantly becomes a flying projectile. And we're not just talking about scratched seats or muddy paw prints anymore. This is about real safety for both humans and pets. We're comparing coverage, stability, noise, ease of installation, storage convenience, and raw strength, so you don't waste money on the wrong barrier. Stick around till the end, because number 1 completely shocked me, and it might change how you think about pet safety forever. And as always, all the links are in the description, so you can easily check pricing and availability. Let's jump right into it. 6. Joy-Tutus Dog Car Barrier. The Joy-Tutus Dog Car Barrier earns its spot at number 6 because it delivers serious heavy-duty performance at a mid-range price, making it one of the strongest universal fit barriers available for everyday drivers who want real security without paying premium custom-fit prices. What immediately separates Joy-Tutus from simpler designs like the Amazon Basics is its advanced adjustability and seat-following capability, which allows it to move with your front seat as you reposition it. That might sound minor, but here's why it matters. When your barrier doesn't move with your seat, it creates gaps, rattles, and pressure points, especially on long trips where seat positions constantly change. Compared to both the Amazon Basics and even the Popple, Joy-Tutus delivers consistent tension and coverage, keeping your dog firmly contained at all times. The construction is built from powder-coated steel rods and reinforced alloy connectors, giving it outstanding durability against chewing, scratching, leaning, and full-body pushing from powerful breeds. When you compare it to Rabbit Goo or Feed Garden, Joy-Tutus offers faster setup and better day-to-day convenience, thanks to its tool-free telescopic mounting system. However, Rabbit Goo and Feed Garden do gain an edge in compact folding storage, which Joy-Tutus lacks. In real-world driving, Joy-Tutus excels in stability and strength. But some users note slight rattling on rough roads if not tightened properly, something the Feed Garden avoids better through its strap-based anchoring. Still, against budget models like Amazon Basics, Joy-Tutus feels massively more secure, making it far better for medium to large dogs, energetic breeds, and highway driving. It also beats Popple in installation speed, while Popple counters with superior height coverage. If your driving style involves frequent seat adjustments, multiple vehicles, and large energetic dogs, Joy-Tutus offers one of the best blends of strength, adaptability, and price on the entire list. Would you rather have a barrier that locks rigidly in place or one that moves dynamically with your seat? 5. Amazon Basics Adjustable Dog Car Barrier. Coming in at number 5, the Amazon Basics Adjustable Dog Car Barrier is the definition of simple, affordable, and functional. And for many dog owners, that's exactly what they want. This is the barrier you buy when your goal is basic safety, without complexity or high cost. Unlike fabric mesh nets that offer almost zero real protection, Amazon Basics uses metal wire construction, which immediately gives it a major advantage in durability and containment. Installation is fast and effortless, using simple headrest-mounted hooks and adjustable rods, making it arguably the easiest barrier to install and remove on this entire list. Compared to Joy-Tutus, Rabbit Goo, and Popple, Amazon Basics is lighter, thinner, and more compact, which helps keep your rear visibility crystal clear. That open grid design means no blind spots, a massive safety bonus during lane changes and reversing. However, this simplicity comes at a cost: height coverage. Standing at roughly 16 inches tall, this barrier is far shorter than Popple's towering 47 inches or Joy Tudis's extended coverage. That makes it best suited for calm, medium-sized dogs, not large athletic jumpers. Against Feed Garden and Hatchroll, Amazon Basics wins on speed and ease of installation, but loses in overall structural strength and containment coverage. Still, for everyday commuters who occasionally travel with their dog, it offers excellent value, especially when paired with a calm temperament pup. Think of it as a gentle boundary reminder, not an impenetrable wall. If your dog is disciplined, relaxed, and doesn't constantly try to jump forward, this barrier performs beautifully. But if you've got a high-energy husky or a curious Labrador, you may quickly want something taller and stronger. Would you rather save money and keep things simple, or invest more for total containment? Let me know your preference. And again, all the links are in the description. 4. Rabbit Goo. Triple folding dog car barrier. Now we reach number 4, and this is where things start getting seriously impressive. The Rabbit Goo triple folding dog car barrier is one of the most innovative designs on this entire list, offering heavy-duty steel protection combined with a brilliant folding mechanism that dramatically improves storage convenience. Unlike rigid frame designs like Popple, Joy Tudis, and Hatchroll, Rabbit Goo collapses into a compact folded shape, allowing you to quickly reclaim your cargo space for groceries, luggage, or equipment, a massive advantage for daily drivers. In terms of strength, Rabbit Goo easily competes with Popple and Hatchroll, using thick welded steel wire mesh capable of withstanding persistent scratching, leaning, and pushing. Compared to Amazon Basics, Rabbit Goo delivers significantly higher coverage and strength, making it a much safer choice for large and energetic dogs. Against Joy Tudis, Rabbit Goo trades off seat-following flexibility for superior storage convenience, while still maintaining impressive stability. Installation is mostly tool-free, but slightly more involved due to its folding joints and strap anchoring system, though that extra setup time pays off in excellent rattle reduction and long-term durability. In real driving scenarios, Rabbit Goo stands out by offering exceptional side-to-side stability, which minimizes vibrations and noise far better than simple tension rod designs. Compared to Feed Garden, Rabbit Goo delivers better height coverage and slightly stronger frame rigidity, while Feed Garden counters with a simpler folding design. For owners who frequently alternate between cargo hauling and pet transport, Rabbit Goo becomes a lifestyle solution, not just a safety accessory. Would you prioritize easier storage or quicker installation? Tell me your thoughts. And yep, all the links are in the description. 3. Popple dog car barrier for SUVs. Sliding into the number 3 spot, the Popple dog car barrier is all about maximum coverage, brute strength, and absolute containment, making it a top-tier solution for large SUVs, tall cargo spaces, and massive dogs. Popple offers some of the largest adjustable dimensions on the market, expanding up to 70 inches wide and nearly 47 inches tall, which is significantly taller than Amazon Basics, Feed Garden, and even Joy Tudis. That extra height makes a massive difference for jumpers and climbers, preventing dogs from simply vaulting over the barrier. Constructed from thick, reinforced steel wire mesh, Popple easily stands toe-to-toe with Hatchral and Rabbit Goo in terms of durability. Compared to Joy Tutus, Popple sacrifices seat-following movement for raw coverage and strength, while Rabbit Goo sacrifices coverage for foldability. Installation remains straightforward, using headrest mounts and adjustable rods, though due to its larger size, setup takes slightly longer. In real-world use, Popple shines on highway trips, off-road travel, and long-distance driving, where dogs tend to move, lean, and shift frequently. However, compared to Rabbit Goo and Feed Garden, Popple becomes bulkier to store when removed, which may matter for people who frequently repurpose their cargo area. Against Hatchral, Popple wins on height dominance, while Hatchral counters with price efficiency and simplicity. If your primary concern is preventing your dog from ever getting into the front seat, Popple offers the strongest physical barrier on this entire list. Would you rather have maximum coverage or maximum convenience? Let me know. And yes, all the links are in the description. 2. Feed Garden Adjustable Dog Car Barrier. Taking the runner-up position, the Feed Garden Adjustable Dog Car Barrier delivers one of the most balanced designs available, blending heavy-duty strength, compact folding storage, and minimal rattling into a single, affordable package. Like Rabbit Goo, Feed Garden uses a triple-panel folding system, allowing it to collapse into a remarkably compact form for easy trunk storage. In everyday driving, this becomes incredibly valuable for families, delivery drivers, and adventure travelers who constantly switch between cargo hauling and pet transport. The steel wire mesh construction offers impressive durability, making it stronger than Amazon Basics while remaining lighter than Popple. Compared to Joy Tutus, Feed Garden sacrifices seat-following movement for better vibration control and easier storage, which many drivers actually prefer. Its width adjustability from 36.6 to 60.6 inches allows it to fit most SUVs and wagons comfortably. However, height remains its main limitation, falling short of Popple and Joy Tutus in tall vehicle containment. Still, against Hatchral, Feed Garden gains a massive advantage with compact foldability, making it far more convenient for everyday use. For dog owners who regularly transport groceries, luggage, or tools, Feed Garden feels like a perfect lifestyle compromise. Strong, secure, quiet, and incredibly practical. Would you trade some height for easier daily convenience? Let me know. And remember, all the links are in the description. 1. Hatchral Universal Fit Dog Car Barrier. And finally, claiming the #1 spot, the Hatchral Universal Fit Dog Car Barrier stands out as the best overall blend of heavy-duty security, affordability, clarity of vision, and everyday practicality. This barrier manages to deliver exceptional strength and coverage at a price point that competes directly with Amazon Basics, which is frankly impressive. Constructed from thick steel wire mesh, Hatchral provides excellent resistance against chewing, scratching, leaning, and full-force pushing. Compared to Amazon Basics, it offers significantly greater strength and stability. Compared to Feed Garden and Rabbit Goo, it sacrifices folding storage for simpler, faster installation and lower cost. Against Joy Tutus, Hatchral provides a more rigid containment structure, while Joy Tutus offers superior seat movement tracking. Compared to Popple, Hatchral trades extreme height for better value and easier installation. The open grid design ensures clear rear visibility, minimizing blind spots and improving driving safety. A huge win. Installation is fast, tool-free, and intuitive, making it ideal for drivers who want strong protection without complexity. While its height may not match Popple for giant breeds, for the vast majority of dog owners, Hatchbacks provides more than enough containment power, making it the most well-rounded option on this entire list. If you had to choose one barrier for daily commuting, long road trips, and weekend adventures, Hatchbacks checks more boxes than anything else here. Which would you choose? Ultimate coverage or best overall balance? Drop your pick in the comments, and of course, all the links are in the description. All right, everyone, that wraps up our deep dive into the top heavy-duty dog car barriers you can buy right now. Whether your priority is maximum containment, compact storage, budget value, or all-around performance, there's a perfect barrier waiting for you on this list. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world gear comparisons, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload. And don't forget, all the links are in the description so you can check today's prices and grab the perfect barrier for your car and your dog. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and give your pup a pat from me.